Hi guys, greetings to you all and welcome back to our channel. First of all, good afternoon to you all. Trust you all are doing fine. Well, in this video, I'll walk you guys through step-by-step guide on how to withdraw your Geeks airdrop to the Onus exchange, whether verified or not. Okay, so before we do that, let's quickly take a glimpse at the last post that I made on their official Telegram channel. You will see announcements, stop Geeks mining. Starting today, our theme will stop all Geeks mining features and conduct an audit to reclaim Geeks from accounts found using cheats or bots. This post was made on November 15th, which was yesterday. After the audit on 16th November, eligible accounts will be able to withdraw to Onus. Right? For those of you guys that don't know, Onus is an exchange, right? A cryptocurrency trading platform. Will be able to withdraw to Onus. To qualify, please ensure the following requirements are met. So these are the requirements that you need to be able to qualify to withdraw your tokens. Firstly, you have to join the Geeks channel. Secondly, you have to make sure that your Ton wallet is connected. And thirdly, you link your Onus account. They said KYC is not required. So whether your Onus exchange is verified or not, you are free to go ahead and withdraw your coins to the exchange. Each Geeks account can only be connected to one Onus account. So if you have multiple Geeks accounts, don't make the mistake of connecting all of them to one exchange. All right, you either split all of them. All right, so you withdraw one to the Onus exchange and leave the rest. Whenever they open on-chain transaction, you can be able to withdraw them to your wallet in Tonkeeper or Telegram wallet, anyone. Okay, so that is just that. And these are the guides, how to sign up on Onus and guide to sign up and everything. They say let's get ready for the upcoming listing event on November 18th. So the listing of this token will be coming up next tomorrow, which is November 18th. So let's head straight to the portal of this project. But before that, make sure you have already downloaded the Onus exchange from your Play Store. Okay, so you come to your Play Store, you search for Onus, then you make sure you download the exchange. So this is it. If you take a look at my dashboard, you can see that I already have it. So this is how it is. This is the logo, the diagram and everything. Make sure you download it, and I will advise you to create your account and try to verify it. So in my own case, I've already verified mine, but it is still under pending. They haven't approved my verification. Okay, so do well to register the Onus exchange, verify it, and proceed with this particular exercise. Alright, so and a tip of another information, this Onus exchange have their own crypto token that they are going to list on the 29th of November. So if you are not mining the Onus project, I'll drop the link to their own token in the description section and comment section of this video so that you get in immediately. Okay, so let's proceed guys to the process of withdrawal. So you can see the timeline of Geeks listing, the one that is done already, stop mining, balance check and snapshot done. So 16th, which is today, is the off-chain and that is the on-chain and off-chain claim. So on 18th is the official listing on crypto exchange. So this is how to go about your withdrawals. You just have to come to this session that they wrote airdrop. You click on it, okay? You can see that automatically my wallet is already connected. My Ton wallet is connected. If yours is not connected, do well to connect it before you proceed with this session. So the next thing is to connect the Onus account, okay? We'll proceed to connect our Onus account straight up. You click on do. Then they ask you, do you have an Onus account? You need connect your Onus to stuff like that. You click on, if you have it, that's why I said that you should go on and register it before you proceed. Then you click on yes, connect, that you have it, okay? Then it will take you straight to your Onus exchange to initiate the connection. So let me log into my Onus. Then you can see this interface that they say connect. Then you hit the connect button. All right, you can see account connection successful. Discover the, what did I say? Sorry guys, I'm coming. Account connection successful. Discover the Onus investment application now. So it's very simple. Then you hit on confirm button, and that's just that. We've already connected that. So you go back to your dashboard in the Telegram. There's a fail to fetch. All right, beautiful. You can see that they have already check marked the connection as well. Okay, so both the Ton Connect and the Onus Connect has already been checkmarked. So the next thing is to proceed with a Ton transaction. All right. So, but this Ton transaction is not compulsory. It's not compulsory. All right. It's willingly. If you wish to do that, you can proceed and do the Ton transaction. Okay. To get more allocation, you can see make a Ton transaction optional and get 20,000 plus or Geeks coin. So this ton transaction will cost you around 0.4 ton, which is equivalent to 3 to 4 USDT. Okay, so if you have that amount of ton coin and you wish to do the transaction, you can proceed. All right, but like I said, it's not compulsory, it's optional, so it's your choice. With or without the transaction, you are still going to receive your coins. All right, so the next thing is, once the claim starts, which is starting from November 17, that is when the eligibility button will be enabled. Then you will tap on the eligibility button and see what you have. Then you will receive your token in your Onus exchange. Very simple. Okay, so that is just that belly and inconvenience. So do that, or rather do this immediately after watching this video, as we wait for the eligibility button to be activated. Okay, so that is just that in this video. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. Thanks for coming around. Okay, till I come your way next time, keep winning, stay safe. Bye for now.